So, you've came across a protected Excel workbook. Well, in this video, we'll show you how to unprotect that workbook. Okay, so right now we're looking at protected workbook. So what happens if we try and edit a protected workbook? We get this error message telling us that it's protected. Unprotecting it is very easy or completely impossible, depending on whether or not it's password protected and whether or not you have that password. So the first thing to do is click on the review ribbon up here, and then you can see here there's a button that says unprotect sheet. So if I click that, the sheet is now unprotected, so I can now edit this, delete the formulas, completely ruin it. There's a button next to protect sheet or unprotect sheet called protect workbook. Now this one does not do what you might think it does. It just protects the structure of the workbook, so it stops you being able to insert or delete new worksheets or hiding or unhiding worksheets. It doesn't protect against editing like the protect sheet tab does. So I've got another tab here which is password protected. So same message, unprotect sheet. If you don't know the password, it's impossible to recover it. So this is why I don't recommend giving your Excel workbooks passwords unless it's absolutely necessary. It's never edited by anybody else. Instead, I would recommend, if you're going to protect the sheet, you just click protect sheet and leave the password blank unless it's absolutely necessary. Good luck! If you want more help, the next thing to do is visit our website at Spreadsheets.Pro. We offer professional spreadsheet services to help you repair, upgrade, or create new spreadsheets in Excel and Google Sheets. We also have a tutorial blog aimed at beginners and small business owners, and we have a selection of ready-made, free and premium spreadsheets available to download.